Because lesson 9 is fairly critical in the next week, and the last video, it was a little hard to see because the calendar is so small, I'm going to do a very, very quick recap of just how to set up those parent conferences in a zoomed up version. So it's not going to be the whole video again, but just how to set them up. So you're not going to be able to see me the whole video. I know, very, very sad, but I'm going to show you how to do it on the calendar. So let's jump over a screen. Now remember, you want a quick start by making sure you have that Google Meet. So you're going to join or start a meeting. You do not want to have any sort of nickname. Continue. You need to quick join a meeting and copy in this information. So we're going to copy that up. Once you have that information, you can go ahead and get out of the meet. Then we're going to go ahead and we're going to set up our appointment. You're going to set up your times whenever that's going to be, so get your time slot in. And then remember, you are setting appointment slots only, conferences. And then you're going to switch your time slots. I think last time I did 15 minutes, but you probably want to actually make them for 10 minutes long so you can get more parents in. Then you have your more options. The location is going to be virtual Google Hangouts. And then make sure you add your descriptions. And that's where you add your video link in there. So you have all your information, you're ready to go. Then remember, here is where you add any of your co-teachers, your translators, your principals, whoever you want to have. And you click save. So now you have that time in there right there. We're all set to go. And then, of course, this is the appointment calendar that you are going to save the link. So you're going to copy that link right here. And then that is what you're going to email off to all of your parents. All right, so then now you can see that when they actually schedule one, it's going to pop up right here. Now remember, the only other thing you want to do is when you go in, you don't want to have the two conflicting meets. So you're going to go on in, you're going to delete this Google Meet right here, and then you're going to click save. And then you can say, I look forward to speaking with you. Please use the link in the description or call using the phone number. And that will send them an email as well. And you're all set. I hope the close-up view helps a little bit more, and I will see you next time.